Hello explorers, and welcome back to another travel packing series video. This time I will be showing you a minimalist what's in my bag type of video showcasing the Muji two-way repellent Sacoche bag. It's a small little bag that I've been very happy to have all these years. I'll be showing you exactly what I pack in it for an everyday carry, but of course I'll be modifying it eventually in another video for a international travel packing type of everyday bag. And what I really love about this Muji Sacoche bag is that it has a strap, so you can do an over-the-shoulder style, or you can do a crossbody as well, and it can get to a good length. But you can remove it right over here, and it has a strap, so you can put it around your wrist too. But the best part of it is that it sits very flush against the body, since you can see it's a very slim profile. And I love carrying it with me because, especially if I'm going out, I only need to carry a few essential items. But if I'm going on a longer international type of packing situation, then I can put all my important belongings and have it very close to my body. And especially if I'm wearing a jacket, I mean, you can even tell I'm wearing a bag sometimes. So it's really, really nice and secure, but best of all, it's lightweight, and especially if you're a minimalist, this is the perfect everyday carry bag for you. So let's get started. Okay, so let me show you exactly what I carry for my everyday minimalist bag. This is what I pack for. So I have my slim little wallet right over here, and I just have a few cards, IDs. That is all I need. I have a slim profile fan right over here. This is really nice because I overheat very easily, and I can keep this with me at all times. It's not bulky, and you can charge it via USB, and it has a cord. That way I can just hang it around my neck. I also have a pouch that carries most of the items and organizes them for me. So I have eye drops, ginger chews because I get motion sickness, earplugs. Then I also have some Advil, hair bands, and a few items and feminine products as essentials, along with Band-Aids. I actually have a video on my full EDC pouches, one tech and one just basic necessities. So if you want to check that out, I'll be linking that in the video as well. I have my sunglasses, very important, and a small, slim notebook with a pen in case I need to jot anything down. I also have my very special Magic Mind mental performance shot, so thank you so much for sponsoring today's video. I have been enjoying taking Magic Mind as part of my lifestyle routine for the past, I don't know, it's been almost a year, and this is my second time collaborating with them, so I'm so happy. But I really love that there's such great ingredients in this. There's lion's mane, there's turmeric, matcha flavor, and also has vitamins B2, B3, B12, and C and D. So it really has everything I need, and I love taking this as a mental performance shot straight from the fridge, put it in my purse, and every time I need a little pick-me-up, it just boosts me with the most calming caffeine kick without having me crash later on. So this is really, really nice and gentle. Highly recommended. I'll be linking everything down below. And of course, my keys. Nice and minimalist, a very small set of keys, and everything fits so nicely in my Muji Sacoche bag, which is perfect for travel and everyday carry. They also have several different colors on the website as well. So let's pack it all up. It also has a little separator for a little compartment right over here, but it's just a really nice minimalist bag. There's nothing crazy about it. And it's not complicated, and it also has a top zipper right over here. So let's pack everything inside. So I start with the bulkiest at the bottom. Everything fits so nicely in here, and it's just still so compact. I always put my sunglasses in a separate compartment. I usually have my pouch, but I think it's in another bag right now. That way they do not get scratched. And I put my little notebook right over here, a pen, you always need a pen, and yes, this pen fits standing up. This is also a Muji pen as well. So it fits standing up in my pouch really nicely. As you can see, there's still so much room, and it's very deceiving how much room this little bag carries too. Not to forget my mental performance shot, which I always need midday, and of course my keys. And what fits in here is also my phone, but I am taking some pictures and recording with it as well. So that is all, packing it up, and as you can see, it is still so lightweight and it's very slim profile still. It's such a nice bag, and you can extend this strap to be a kind of shoulder strap or also crossbody too, because it has an extender right over here, and it also unclips to make it just a pouch. So I just wanted to show you really quickly the length for this bag. So this is at the shortest length, and you can definitely carry this, let me put this down real quick, as a over-the-shoulder bag, just a nice little shoulder bag, no problem. Somehow this bag always manages to fit into my luggage because it's so small and slim and lightweight, and I just really like taking it with me. That way I can keep my belongings close at hand at all times. So now that I've extended the full length, which is really long, I don't even need it that long. There you go. You can have it as a crossbody. And of course, the other thing you can do is you can unclip it. If you unclip it, it becomes just a regular pouch, which Sacoche's pouch. And there you go. One last thing I wanted to show you was how nicely this fits if I were to wear a sweater or a jacket, and I'm wearing a very thin cardigan as well. So this fits really nicely if I'm traveling, and as you can see, it fits really flush against the body, and I can just wrap it, and it's really not bulky, but under a bigger winter jacket or any other type of jacket, it's really undetectable, and it keeps your belongings, especially the very important belongings, really close and safe to you, especially when there's a zipper right over here at the top that you can access. So it's just really nice. I really enjoy wearing this bag, and it fits all types of occasions as well. So thank you so much for watching this video, and thank you again for our sponsor, Magic Mind. Really appreciate this amazing collaboration, and hope you can see my other EDC videos, and I'll be showing more what's in my bag videos as well. Hope to see you soon, and goodbye explorers. Bye-bye.